Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this equation on the board. We have root 16 minus x raised to power 2 plus root 9 minus x raised to power 2 is equal to 5. We have to find the value of x in this equation. Okay, let's solve. Here we'll take the squares of both sides. So to do that, we'll have root 16 minus x to the power of 2 plus root 9 minus x raised to power 2 squared is equal to 5 squared. Okay, so this is root 16 minus x raised to power 2 minus root 9 minus x raised to power 2 squared is equal to 25. So let's liken this equation to when you have a to minus b squared, and that will give us what? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so in this case our a is root 16 minus x squared and our b is root 9 minus x squared. Okay, now let's solve. Since you know that a minus b squared is going to give us this, so our a squared is what? This is 16 minus x to the power of 2 squared plus 2 multiplied by root 16 minus x squared multiplied by root 9 minus x squared, okay, plus our b is root 9 minus x squared is equal to 25. All right, so this will cancel this, and this is squared, and this will cancel this. Okay, because we have b squared, so this is value of our b and squared. So now we have 16 minus x squared plus 9 minus x squared plus 2 open bracket root 16 minus x squared and root 9 minus x squared is equal to 25. So 16 plus 9 will give us what? 25. Minus x squared will give us minus 2x squared plus 2. Now this two a and b are in square root, so we might as well cover them in one square root so that we don't have to have two square root. Okay, so we'll have root 16 minus x squared and we'll have 9 minus x squared. Okay, that is equal to 25. Now we'll have 25 here and 25 here. When 25 here moves over to this side, it becomes negative 25. So these two can cancel. All right. So now we have minus 2x squared plus 2 open bracket root 16 minus x squared open bracket root 16 minus x squared 9 minus x squared. Okay, and that is equal to 0, right? So let's solve. This can move to the other side, so that becomes 2 open bracket root 16 minus x squared and 9 minus x squared is equal to 2x squared. Okay, so let's divide both sides by 2. So when we do that, we'll have 2 root 16 minus x squared and 9 minus x squared is equal to 2x squared. Divide here by 2 and divide here by 2. So 2 we cancel 2, 2 cancel here as well. So we have that root 16 minus x squared and 9 minus x squared is equal to x squared. To eliminate this square root, you can do what? Take the square of both sides. So when we do that, we'll have root 16 minus x squared, 9 minus x squared, take squares, is equal to x squared squared. So this cancel this. So we now have 16 minus x squared and 9 minus x squared is equal to x to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. All right, let's continue. So let's open this bracket. We have 16 minus x squared and 9 minus x squared is equal to x to the power of 4. 16 multiplied by 9 is going to give us 144. 16 multiplied by minus x or is going to give us minus 16x squared. This will give us minus 9x squared, and this will be plus x raised to the power of 4 is equal to x raised to the power of 4. Now, you can see that when these two are similar, so when it moves over here, it's going to become a negative, so they can cancel. Now we have 144 minus 16x squared. Now minus 16x squared minus 20 minus 16x squared minus 9x squared is going to give you minus 25x squared, and that is equal to 0. All right, so let's find the value of x here. So this becomes minus 25. Now let's what we'll do here now is to subtract 144 from both sides. So when we this becomes minus 25x minus is equal to 0. When this moves, it becomes minus 144. This is minus 25x squared is equal to minus 144. All right, minus cancel minus. Okay, so this is 25x squared is equal to 144. Divide both sides by 25. Divide here by 25. Well, x squared is equal to 144 over 25. This is square. So let's take the square of take the square root of both sides. X squared is equal to 144 over 25. Take root of both squares, you have x squared is equal to root 144 over 25. This cancel this, so x is equal to plus or minus 12. Root square root of 144 is going to give you 12, and square root of 5 is going to give you square root of 25 is going to give you 5. So our answer, therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 12 over 5. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.